Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video we discussed that worksheet which is related to concept 2. Now here in this video we are going to discuss about that concept 3 which is related to properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. Rational numbers. So, what properties are there? Ma, previous classes we learnt about that properties of whole numbers, properties of integers, right? In this video, we are going to discuss about that properties of rational numbers. This one given in your class, 8th class. Here, they given that addition and multiplication. Under addition and multiplication. Children, we know that. Come to that subtraction and division. Actually, we are having that 4 fundamental operations, no? Then here, subtraction and division not possible, we know that. Come to that whole numbers or integers, we did that so many examples, no? In that one, what we learnt, ma? Here, the numbers which are not satisfied under that subtraction and in the same way division also. That's why directly here possible fundamental operations only given in your material. Those two are addition and multiplication. So we will learn about that all the types of all the properties which are related to rational numbers under that addition and multiplication we will learn. Okay. See here ma. Actually what properties are there here first? See that the first property is closure property. Closure property. Second one is commutative property. Commutative property. Next one is associative property. Associative property. Next one is distributive property. Distributive property. Next property is roll of 1 or roll of 0. Next one roll of 1. Next one multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse and in the same way additive inverse. Additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. These are the properties which are related to rational numbers. Okay ma? Let us say that the first property, what is that? Closure property. Okay, comes under that closure property. Once see that. Closure property, what tells here? See that. Let A and B are any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers. Here, say that A star B, then A star B is also a rational number. Is also a rational number. This is the property, this is the condition which is related to closure property. What is that ma here? Let A and B are any two rational numbers and A star B is also a rational number. And here star means here star be a fundamental operation. Star be a fundamental operation. Fundamental operation. Which means here star is equals to, we can take that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And children, in your material also they discussed about that addition and multiplication only. Why? Because subtraction and division not possible. Understood? One example, say that here. Let A is equals to, comes under that addition. Addition, what is that condition ma? A comma B belongs to rational numbers, then A plus B belongs to rational number. Okay, here just we have to check that yes or no. Take the example and check it. Let A is equals to 1 by 2 and B is equals to 2 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 2, B is equals to 2 by 3. Okay, now here A and B are rational numbers, we know that. Now here A plus B, how much you will get ma here? A plus B is equals to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3 here? 2 and 3 LCM is 6. And here 1 into 3 plus 2 to 4, which is equals to here 7 by 6. Am I clear to you? Yes or no? Here 2 and 3 LCM is 6, and in the same way 2 into 3 is equal to 6, no? So 1 into 3, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 by 6. Am I clear, ma? Now here a plus b is equal to how much you got? 7 by 6. Here 7 by 6 is a rational number or not? Of course this is a rational number. Understand? That's why here what we can say here? Here rational numbers are closed under addition. Closed under addition. Second fundamental operation what they given here, that is multiplication. Multiplication. Now here see that multiplication condition is a comma b belongs to rational numbers, then a into b is also belongs to rational number. Now here let a is equals to 1 by 2, b is equals to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, those two also rational numbers only, no? Now take the product of these two rational numbers, ma. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. How to take that product here? Product of numerators and by product of denominators. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 3 is 6. Again this is a rational number or not? Yes, of course this is a rational number. That's why here see that. Here say that a plus b also we got it as a comma b, these two are rational numbers, and in the same way a plus b is belongs to rational number and a into b is also belongs to rational number. Understand, ma? So what is that condition here? Rational numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Okay, ma? In your material also they given about that addition and multiplication only, no? That's why I am discussing here addition and multiplication. Okay. Now here see that next property. What is that next property, ma? This is about that closure property. Now here commutative property. Second one is commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property, what is that condition for the commutative property here? The condition is let a comma b are any two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers. A comma b are any two rational numbers. Then a star b is equals to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. And here star be a fundamental operation. Star be a fundamental operation. Fundamental operation. And here star is equals to what values we can take, ma? Here values means what fundamental operations we can take here? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here also addition and multiplication only they given, no? So we will discuss about that addition and multiplication. Okay, ma? Now here see that let a comma b are any two rational numbers. Here just observe that a star b is equal to b star a. By observing this one, what we can say that here its order we can change here. Understand? Here the order is changed. Here AB is there, here BA is there, which means order changed or not. That's why here this property is called also known as order property. Order property. Understood, ma? Now here see that example comes under that addition. Addition condition is here a plus b is equals to b plus a. At the place of star we have to take that addition symbol. Okay. Now here checking. Let a is equals to negative rational numbers you can take minus 2 by 3, b is equal to minus 1 by 2. take that negative rational numbers. Is it possible or not? Just see that. Okay. Now here a plus b, which is equals to minus 2 by 3 plus of minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now here what is the LCM of 3 and 2 ma? Here LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. And here minus 2 into 3 into how much is equal to 6? 3 2 is 6. Plus of minus 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Clear? Yes. Minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4. Plus into minus is minus 1 into 3 is 3 by 6. Now here minus 4 minus 3, which is equals to minus 7 by 6. How much we got here? Minus 7 by 6. Now here right hand side what is there ma? B plus A. Now B plus A is equal to, B is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus of A is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now here again what is the LCM of 2 and 3 here? LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. And here minus 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6 plus of minus 2 into 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Minus 3 plus into minus is minus 2 2's 4 by 6, which is equal to minus 7 by 6. Children, observe that A plus B we got the same value, and in the same way B plus A also we got the same value only, no? So from this one what we can say here, A minus B is equal to B minus A is equal to what value we got ma here? Minus 7 by 6. From this one what is the statement we can say here? Rational numbers are commutative under addition. Understand? Here we taken that negative rational numbers. Next for that multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Multiplication condition is A into B is equals to B into A. Understand ma? Now here let A is equals to 1 by 2, B is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. A into B is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Any cancellations possible ma here? Cancellations not possible. Just go for that multiplication of numerators by multiplication of denominators. 1 into 3 is 3, 2 4's 8. 3 by 8. Okay. Next B into A. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 3 into 1 by 4 into 2, which is equals to 3 into 1 is 3, 4 into 2 is 8. Children, see that here we got the same answer or not? Yes. That's why here A into B is equals to B into A is equals to 3 by 8. Understand, children? Finally, what is that statement we can say here? Rational numbers are commutative under which fundamental operations? Addition, under addition and multiplication. Understood ma? So this is about that commutative property. After this property, what properties we discussed here? Closure property and commutative property. Next we are having that associative property. What is that? Third property is associative property. Okay ma? So up to now we taken that 2 rational numbers, no? Now here onwards we have to take the 3 rational numbers. Let A, B, C are any 3 rational numbers. Any 3 rational numbers. Any 3 rational numbers. Then A star B star C, brackets of A star B star C is equal to A star brackets of B star C. Understood ma? This is the condition. and here star B, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And I told you know in your material addition and multiplication given, so related to that we will discuss. Then related to that addition, what is that condition ma? This is the condition which is related to addition. And what condition is there related to multiplication? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This is multiplication. So here this one satisfies or not, just check that ma here. Addition and multiplication. These two conditions there no. So first fundamental operation, addition. What is the condition for that addition here? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Okay. Take that any three rational numbers. Let A is equals to. Children here rational numbers we can take that integers also no. Previously one example related to positive rational numbers I told you that. Next negative rational numbers I told you. And in the same way here integers also consider it as rational numbers no. Then take that A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. Okay. Now here A plus B plus C which is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then here A plus B plus C. Here we are not changing that any order. Just we are changing the grouping. Okay. First we are grouping that AB. Next we are grouping that BC. Understood. Now here A plus of B plus C which is equals to 2 plus of 3 plus 4 which is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then here 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 7 is equals to 9 only no. Here also we got that 9, here also we got that 9. Then finally what is that statement ma? That statement is true or not? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Understood? Which means here if you add that first any two numbers then you will get that same result only no. Here see that first if you add that AB or if you add that BC to that resultant, if you add C or to that resultant if you add that A then you will get that same answers. Understood ma? So this is related to addition. Now here come to that multiplication. Multiplication. So multiplication statement is A into B into C which is equals to A into brackets of B into C. Understand ma? Now here say that let A is equals to, again integers or anything your wish, 1 by 2, B is equals to 2 by 3, C is equals to 4 by 5 for example. Understand? Now here A into B into C which is equals to A is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 which is equals to, cancellations possible ma? Yes of course 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Okay. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3 into 4 by 5. Any other cancellations possible? Not possible. Then take the product of numerators. 4 into 1 is 4, 3 into 5 is 15. How much you got here? 4 by 15. Now check that another condition, A into B plus C. Sorry, A into B into C which is equals to, A is equals to 1 by 2 into B is equals to 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Any cancellations possible ma here? Cancellations not possible. That's why here directly take the product of numerators. 2 4s 8 by 3 5s 15. Clear? Now here 1 by 2 into 8 by 15. Any cancellations possible? Yes. 2 1s 2 4s. Finally the answer is 4 by 15. Children see that here also 4 by 15. Here also 4 by 15. Okay. Finally A into B into C which is equals to A into B into C which is equals to how much you got my answer? 4 by 15. Understand? So this is related to associative property under addition and multiplication. Finally, what is the statement which is related to associative property here? That is, rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication. Finally, here how many properties we discussed in this video? We discussed about the 3 properties. One is closure property, second one commutative property, third one associative property. Okay ma? Leftover properties there, no, we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.